All right, let's have some country breakfast in the mountains. So I was going to make some homemade butter for when I came up, and I bought a half pint of whipping cream so I could do it, and I ended up drinking it all in my coffee. So I guess we have to do it the modern way, the spray-on butter. I guess some things you just can't get away from civilization the whole time, right? So we're gonna have pancakes and eggs, or hot cakes and eggs is what my family always called it. Just make a couple. Anyway, coffee fire coffee chat was over. It's kind of chilly this morning, so I just sat in there in a camper and had my coffee. But I had to make another cup. 2 16-ounce cups of coffee should do me till about 4 o'clock. Let's do another one. Down to my last 2 eggs. Okay, did it. So, you know, a quick little story here is this place used to be absolutely pristine out here. There was no trash, hardly any people. The roads were all nice and clean. You could walk around in the area and not find anything, but I started noticing it was getting worse last year. And then, of course, this spring, when camping season opened back up, you know, a big part of this forest up here was closed, the Sitgraves National Forest. So, you know, the people came up here with nowhere to camp, so they all congregated in this area, that's my theory. There was a lot of people up here. Beep. Driving too fast up and down the roads. And it's just been a mess. So when I came back up here just, you know, a week and a half ago, I was appalled about what I saw. So we're just kind of go for a little walk here. I'll show you. You know, plastic bags laying around, styrofoam, tin foil, There's the camper over there. It's not that far away, so. But there was one particular spot that I wanted to show you. This is what I wanted to show you right here. You know what that is, right? Uh-huh. Somebody's porta potty. That didn't get blown in here. Somebody just left it. Styrofoam cups, pieces of cups. Pieces of paper plates over there. Something purple clean over there. I don't know what that is. Looks like maybe a piece of clothing or something over there. More plastic bags. More pieces, more big pieces of paper. I don't know what that is either, but it's partially burned. Not sure what that is. More trash. There's a diaper laying over there. A diaper? Come on, people. Jeez. Here's the other part of the toilet. Laying in a ravine up here. Probably that's where they were sitting. I'm not going over there to check it out either. Got a nice little path right here where they've been walking back and forth. Toilet paper laying all over the place over there. I guess you can't fix stupid, right? One of the other things that gets me too is I realize that it's not the ranger's job per se to come up here and clean up after people. They probably got kids of their own. They don't want to come out and work all day cleaning up after somebody else's kids. So, but yeah, they go flying up and down this road out here, you know, 40, 50 miles an hour. They don't even look. They don't even look at you. They just right past. It's a crying shame. That's what it is.